All right, so this is day 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 of me starting my affiliate marketing and dropshipping business. First day, I got my CJ affiliate. How you doing? Got my CJ affiliate application and my Flex Office application in. I didn't expect to get approved, so I did the next best thing and just decided to start dropshipping also. That way I didn't have to wait for approval or anything, just start listing products, referrals, and connecting them. So dropshipping is a little bit more lucrative from my perspective, and I then went straight to eBay, got me about day 3, got me a eBay account. So I connected my eBay to my AutoDS. Then I tried to list some products through AutoDS so they could just go straight to my eBay store. It didn't happen. That was the 4th day. It didn't happen. So I'm running around AutoDS website trying to figure out how to get these products to list. So I got frustrated. Day 5, I said, let me just go ahead and probably just list some items on eBay the normal way. That way I can get some stuff listed. I just don't want to go through this no more. So I'm hoping, no, I'm not hoping. I'm transferring into another portal and get all of this stuff together. Get me a method of operation, get me a schematic and a business practice, like an everyday routine, so I can start listing these products and be able to quit this job. Because as soon as I get some sales, I'm quitting this job and going hard with this listing. And I'm gonna keep y'all posted, keep you updated. It's been fun, but I gotta run. I'll check back in tonight. After I get off work, I'm gonna list me some products and let y'all know how it go. I might record my screen and show you how I'm doing it, because I need to learn how to record my screen without recording my vital information. So just come with me. Come with me. Yeah, I gotta do my dance too, because I got my eBay store. Okay. Yeah. All right. eBay is a good platform because you don't have to do as much advertising. They got millions and millions of people already scrolling through their products. But I'm gonna keep y'all updated because yeah, I'm just recording my journey for myself and recording my journey for those who are interested in getting into this, because the people that gave me the information, without them I wouldn't have been here. So I'm giving the information to y'all. Once I get it mastered, you can be right there with me and see my journey. So yeah, check back in tonight after I get my first listing or during. All right, greetings, peace and blessings. I'm out.
Hey, dummies. I just finished days 7, 8, and 9 of my dropshipping and affiliate marketing journey. 7 and 8 was super frustrating. I couldn't get nothing done. Everything wasn't working. Even the tutorials, following them step by step, you always run into issues of this not working, that not working. It was just super frustrating. And I finally figured it out on day 9. I got 2 items listed on my Shopify store with product pages and 4 Facebook ads, TikTok and Instagram ads to post to promote my page, and about 5 items on my eBay store. I rushed through it, so I kind of feel I felt like a slacker because I rushed through it, but I just was trying to meet my goal. I was 2 days behind, so but I still met the goal. And this is, like I said, 7, 8, and day 9. I'm running. It's all about advertising now, so I'm finna get on my video making skills and get some of these ads on here. My course is coming soon. For all you dummies and don't know how to do this, it is frustrating. I will have to say that. Very frustrating. I'm being facetious, but it is frustrating. Everybody ain't gonna be able to do this. It's gonna get tedious, and it's not overnight, and there's a lot of competition. So be ready for all of that. Okay? All right. I'll check y'all out after I finish my ads and let you know how my ads go, because ain't nobody gonna go to my page if I don't push the traffic there. Well, you're gonna have all the videos before this is all said and done. All the videos gonna be posted on my Facebook. Okay? All right.